Unbox, unbox, unbox. Okay, I know you all have been waiting for this video, for this is the video that I need you to comment. Leave a comment on my YouTube page of why you should be chosen to be a winner of this juicer. I am about to unbox this juicer. This juicer was highly recommended by the one and only Medical Medium. And if you're not following Medical Medium, make sure you're following him. He has started this celery juice craze that I have adapted to, and I have now added celery juice to my daily routine. And I just want each and every one of my followers to start their wellness and health journey. It truly is a journey. We go day by day. Each and every one of us is different. And I just want to be able to help my followers on that journey to wellness. These boxes are truly, truly heavy. I'm going to open this box first. So let's see what is in this box. It's, I think I chose the heaviest one first. Okay. Yes. It's heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. All right. So this is the base. Whoop, whoop. This is the base of the juicer. And yes, it is a slow juicer. One of the important reasons why I want you to make sure that you're following me on YouTube, as well as Alafia Wellness, as well as the Hair Care Mogul, is because I will give different information on each and every one of those platforms. So please make sure you're following Alafia Wellness, the Hair Care Mogul, as well as on YouTube. And to be able to win this juicer, you have to leave a comment under this video on why you feel that you should be the winner of this magnificent juicer. So I'm just taking out all of the goodies. You know, they pack this stuff so well, and most juicers come with a lot of gadgets. I have used it already. It is very easy to clean, very easy to put together, which is great. And the reason why I wanted to start giving away juicers, because in my research and talking to people daily about wellness, I have learned that a lot of people do not have juicers. So I want each and every one of my followers, we want to try to save so we can be able to purchase one. The price point for this juicer is $2.99. However, if you shop at Bed Bath and Beyond, you can have a 20% off coupon, as well as go to Omega Juicers. If you're not following them, follow them, because they also have coupons from time to time. One of my followers is going to be so excited. So let me see. So I think this is a strainer. And guess what? This juicer doesn't only make juice. It you can make baby food. You can make pasta. It has so many different gadgets and uses. Whoever is the winner of this juicer, please make sure you register your juicer. I'm so excited. I can't wait to read all of your stories and everyone to let me know why is it that they feel that they should win this juicer. I am still taking things out of the package. So many things to look forward to. So make sure you follow all of the directions to be able to have the opportunity to win this juicer. I am Natasha, Somalia. Have a wonderful day.